Hi everyone, it's Dave and I'm back at Outdoor Home to show you how to put a unique twist on a cold weather favorite. I'm so glad you joined us today because this recipe for over-the-top chili is just another great example of how you can take the foods you're preparing in your kitchen outdoors and make them better on an egg. So let's get started. Now the main focus for today, it's not about the recipe, it's about the method. When you take your chili recipe outside and use your big green egg, it's going to allow you to smoke your ground beef prior to introducing it to the rest of your ingredients. So I would encourage you to take your favorite recipe outside to your big green egg. The recipe I use at my house calls for setting my big green egg to 350 degrees for direct grilling. I'll use a cast iron skillet and I will saute some onions, green peppers, and poblano peppers along with some minced garlic. And I'll get those nice and caramelized, looking really good. Drop those into my Dutch oven along with some kidney beans, rinsed and drained, chili beans, beef broth, a can or bottle of beer, diced tomatoes, chili powder, cumin, and my secret ingredient, big green egg, Vidalia onion sriracha sauce. Cup of that. And before I head outside, I'm going to take my ground beef, seasoning it with salt and pepper, or a lot of times I'll use my favorite barbecue rub. Added my convector so I can switch from direct to indirect cooking. I'll put my Dutch oven in there, my ground beef on top, insert my probe, and I'm going to go at 350 degrees for about an hour to an hour and a half until I reach a minimum internal temperature of 155 degrees. So here's the finished product. Looks great. Smells amazing, and as expected, I'm not gonna lie, I've already tasted some. Everything I expected it would be because I did it on the big green egg. The depth of flavor, so good, something I can't match in my kitchen at home, so can't wait for you to give this method a try. In the meantime, if you have questions, talk to the experts, come see us. We're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.